I just want to answer this question. Video comment. When I press Shift plus 10, it does not work. In this point, you must select the previous version of setup. Yan. In your keyboard, press Shift key. Hold the Shift key. Then locate the F10 key. Press F10. Ayan. Press F10, then command prompt will appear. You can now type the regedit command.